Just blend it a little bit. That's very blue. It's okay. I want blue. So this is the brush that came with it. It's got cosmetics, and it's just a liner brush and a little shader, and that's perfect for when you use bright colors like that, because you don't want to mix that in with your other brushes, or just make sure you clean them every single week, which I have not been doing that, y'all. And you probably should. That may be why my eyes irritated. Actually, that's a very good point. That might be why my eyes irritated, because it has been very irritated. I need to go to my ophthalmologist and check on that, because see how it's always poochy right there. And he told me before he thought it was herpes. I'm like, what? Absolutely freaked me out. He goes, not that kind. He goes, there's another kind of herpes. It's just a little virus that irritates skin. And it's not venereal disease, obviously, in your eye. But nor does it come from that. He says it's just the same kind of virus that's, you know, how you get a fever blister on your mouth, that same kind. It's not venereal. It is, it's just a herpes virus. But anyway, and I don't know if he was right about that, to be honest. I do trust him as my doctor, but still, I was like, really? Are you sure about that? Are you sure you can't figure it out? I don't know. I know doctors are just, you know, people, and they're trying to figure things out the best they can. Let's blend this out just a little. Just a little to get rid of the lines. Don't blend the color away. Just get rid of the lines. So always be careful that you don't overdo it. And I am going to do my eyelash curler first. What? They're just calling for me. Mama, 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 mama. Because I am going to put liner on. Oh, I can feel, it's still there. I feel a brush hair that came out. It's still there. Go on. And I'm going to let it out a little and curl it back more towards the socket. And I'll lift my elbow to do this. Also, I want to make sure I don't have makeup in my pimento cheese crease. This and this. Oh, I didn't put blush on. I was like, gosh, I look so washed out. That's okay. I've got the perfect palette for that. Did y'all see how easy my eyelashes popped up? If you just put, this is like the best eyelash curlers by Charlotte Tilbury. It's in rose gold, so it's very, very pretty. But more importantly, it's very long this way, and it's very wide this way, so that when you lightly put your lashes through and then put a little pressure down on the lid, they automatically go boom, and they pop up, and that's when you clamp down, and then you pull it out just a little bit, like let loose a little, and get it out just to the ends, and then curl it back more towards the socket, like more back instead of just straight up. Okay, and then get your tissue and wipe that off. And why do I do that? Because just the eye makeup from that I just put on is already on this. So always, and I used a tissue that was very bad. I don't know where my wipes are, but now there's guck all over these tissue, which would get in your eyes. So do not use a tissue, Kleenex tissue. Use a wipe. Now I'm going to have to use a wipe. I'm using my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Makeup. And the reason is this does have a little bit of fiber on them. So I don't like them to use as a makeup wipe except for my face and cleaning utensils, not for getting waterproof makeup off. That's my Neutrogena. And so instead of using these to get my makeup off at night, I use them to clean things. And yeah, Neutrogena, oh man, you know, that's what I like. Now it's slopping wet. Oh well. Liner. So I'm going to put on my liner now because I've already curled my lashes. It does make it a little harder to get your liner on though, I'll tell you that. There we go. Come behind the lash and just lay it down like that. This is the DHC eyeliner. And because it's an actual brush and not a pen, it has flexibility and it makes it so much easier to work with, y'all. So much easier. Now let me connect. There we go. Let me get that back down to the lash and get right down to the lashes. Yeah. Looks good. Well, that's not a good shape. There. Yeah, it's not a good shape again. What am I doing here? Well, the good news is this is easy to work with. And so the corrections I'm